Honest with you guys, I'm being 100% honest with y'all. This is one of mine. I like just disregard it, but now it's like once you do it and see it, you can see the difference. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who's back with another video. I think I'm gonna kick it with your boy Q today. I got an Insta video for y'all guys. That's right, we got one for red today, man. Y'all saw the title of the video. That's right. I'm about to go ahead and tint my fog lights. A lot of y'all been telling me, Q, get the Morimoto fog lights, get the Morimoto fog lights. Bro, I am not spending $200 on some fog lights. I'm just not doing it. I'm sorry. To me, that's just, to me, there's nothing appease me about that, just to get a smoked out look. I do have Lost Fit LED bulbs, and I love how bright they are. They're like super bright, and I love it. That's why I don't really want to start the Morimotos either, because these are hella bright, I'm gonna be honest with you. But, you know, they are clear. And if you know, I got the Morimoto headlights, they are tinted or smoked, you know, dark housing. And I just got the white there. So I actually found something, and one of you all recommended to me. And bro, I apologize, I forgot your name. You literally sent me this almost probably a year ago. I had the part now for probably a year and have not installed it. It's just been sitting and sitting. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. You just watched my last video with the Camaro where I just installed the side marker covers, tint covers on my Camaro back here. I just tinted these out. Honestly, that's what made me think about it. When I went to go get the blow dryer, these were just sitting over here. And I had forgot all about them. They were sitting here. And it's it. And the instructions are simple, guys. Literally spray this off with some water. Kind of how I did the Camaro. Spray it with water, clean it, spray your hand, and stick it on. That's it. And if you guys are wondering which ones I did get the Gun Smoke Dark. So they are the darkest tint shade they do have. So, but they do have a lighter one if you're interested in that. And colors. As I was reading the instructions, it says that these are, and I'll link them below where I got them from, or you can buy them, that these are very easy to peel and stick on, stick off. So you won't have a problem with once you put it, they're stuck. It's not like that. So give y'all before look. See the fog lights there? Got the white, you know, a little white. Didn't bother me none, but hey, why not, right? Okay guys, so I got the first one on, as you can see there, and I see he's saying you just got to get an X-Acto knife or something to cut these two tabs off, and I do not have that with me right now. So I think I'm on this one, just go get some scissors and cut it, but you can see the difference. And I will say it does look better. What y'all think? Comment below. Yeah, it looks better. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this one first, put it on, and then try to go back and cut this one. Just like that, guys, look at it, it's gone. And it does look a lot better, I will say. It actually matches the headlight now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm being 100% honest with y'all. This is one of mine, I like just disregard it. But now it's like once you do it and see it, you can see the difference. You can see it does make a difference. Dang, that looks so much better. Holy crap. I didn't expect it to look that good. So what I did with this side, I cut it before I put it on, as you can see there. So, and I'll show you the difference. I didn't do on this side, so I didn't cut this side before I put it on. And I'm gonna go back and clean this up, but I need to go back and cut that one more time. This side I cut it pretty okay. Little air bubble right there on the side right there, but anyway, yeah, we'll get it all figured. But anyway, so if you're gonna do this, my recommendation, just cut those two tabs before and place it on. It's a pretty thick substance too. The film cover is pretty thick. I do got some air bubbles right here. See, like not right there, you probably can't see it, but according to the structure, any cloudiness or air bubbles will go away over a week or two, or a few days to a week, so don't worry about that. Yeah man, it's super easy, bro. Like, I can't believe I didn't have to sit there the whole time and didn't put these on. Yeah, now they on, and it's a huge difference on the truck. Yeah, I guess we should see what the fog lights look like on now. So let's see what that looks like. So what's up, guys? This is your boy Q. I'm gonna have to interrupt this video real quick to talk about something that I'm super excited about, guys, and I'm happy to share this with y'all, man. So as y'all know, your boy Q is a licensed to carry owner. I do believe in the Second Amendment. I do bear arms. I do have my guns, and I like my guns. So, but the one thing I have not had and never had was a gun case. So when we and my buddies used to go to the gun range, I literally used to put my guns in like a duffel bag, like not a gun bag, like a duffel bag that you carry like clothes in. But today, all that's been solved. I want to give a special shout out to my boy Drew, who put me on and hooked me up, man. So Drew, appreciate you, bro. I'm excited about this product and I'm excited to share it with y'all for one. So here we go. Show y'all, boom. That's right. This is a Vulcan, there it is. See right there? Woo. Vulcan gun carrying bag, guys. Look at this. I am super excited. So now when I go to the range, I got a freaking bag. Boy Q got the bag. You feel me? Oh shit. Oops. Cut that beep. Actually, it matches my hat, bro. That's kind of dope. I didn't even realize that. But anyway, guys, yes, I finally got a gun carrying case for my pistol, guys. So I'm so excited. And looking at this, man, so it's a Vulcan gun carrying case, as I said. So you can see on the back, man, you got some options right here to carry things in here, whatever you want to fit in here. I'm not sure your preference. But yeah, it's a nice bag. Once I opened them, to be honest with y'all, it had kind of like there's leather on the front, but like a rubbery feel here. But I'm gonna show y'all, explain y'all why that's the case, why it's made like this. There's a pretty cool fact about it. But let me just go ahead and open it up first and show y'all what's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and unzip this. And it's pretty tough to get unzipped, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Again, there's a reason behind the madness I'm about to show y'all. So I'm gonna unzip this thing, cause it's taking a little effort to get unzipped, guys. So excited! So excited! So excited! Yes, sir. So now we got this joint open, guys. So, need to fit back on me. Here we go. Boom. As y'all can see, I already got my stuff in here. So you got a whole bunch of different sections right here. You can store stuff. You got a little section right here. I'm pretty sure you can put something. You got some more over here. So I already got my magazines in here. As you can see, these are 9mm magazines. And then I actually have my pistol right there. As you can see in my bag. And I also got my holster in here as well. Just for the purpose of this video, so I can show y'all like what you can store. So yeah, man, look at this. Everything is nicely, softly padded. Stitching is dope. Guys, like, I'm so excited about this freaking bag, guys. So excited! But as y'all can see, the storage and stuff and all that's not even a selling point, guys. This thing is waterproof, bro. Waterproof. That's right. So that's why it's made the way it's made. That's why when you see the zipper right here, like that, like it looks like tape, you know, it's waterproof. So that's like sealant, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, since it's waterproof, they say it's waterproof, only one way to try it. So what I'm about to do is go dump this thing in my sink, submerge it, and see if it's waterproof. I'm gonna leave my gun in there too and see what happens. So here we go. Okay guys, see, got my firearm right here. I'm about to go ahead and just lay this in there. Safety is on, if y'all wondering. We're gonna zip this thing up. Y'all know me and Brio just moved into the house. So with that being said, there's some stuff we still don't have. And one of those things we do not have is a freaking sink stopper. We don't have a sink stopper. So I actually can't submerge it. But so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray the heck out of it best I can, man, so y'all can see it. New home ownership, man. We just don't have everything yet. Okay guys, got our bag completely zipped up. Here we go. Okay, that's enough. Bag. You can see it's wet. It's wet. Look at that, it's dripping water. Let's open this thing. You can see it's dry. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. Holy snaps. Guys, this thing is completely dry. Look at this. Completely dry, bro. Look at this. Dry. There's nothing. That's pretty dope. But it works. It's dry. That is cool, man. As y'all saw, guys, it was completely dry. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty impressive, guys. For real, for real. So if you want one of these, Vulcan bag, match the hat, or do the hat match the bag, do the bag match the hat. Anyway, so if you're interested in getting one, guys, my link will be right there as well as in the description below, guys. So it's Christmas time, man. It's Christmas time, bro. Go ahead and get you a Vulcan bag, man. When you going out there hunting and all that, I don't know if it's hunting season. It might not be hunting season. Anyway, you're going to the gun range anywhere you're going. If you go on the boat and you drop your bag, you don't have to worry about your ammo, your gun getting wet and all that, man. Vulcan got you covered, bro. Completely waterproof. This is pretty dope. I'm so excited. Again, shout out to my boy Drew. Y'all see how I'm holding my bag, bro. I'm so excited about this. I ain't got to walk in the gun range now looking crazy with a duffel bag. I got an actual gun bag, certified. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Now the fog lights are on. I can definitely tell they're tinted. You can see now more of those air bubbles I was talking about. I'm not sure if it's called blind y'all. You see those like little pockets in there? So, but you know, it looks pretty good. I can definitely tell it's blocking some light. So I'm curious at nighttime. I might do a nighttime video for you all to see if it's really distorting my light output, because that's one of my favorite things about these. They're super bright, as I said before. But it gives the truck a nice tinted look. So yeah, I mean, you see over there? Yeah. All right, guys, real quick. So since I put the tint on there, here are the fog lights. So sorry, I can't show y'all just fog lights, but doesn't seem like my fog lights are not as bright as they were before. So it seems like the tint just does a good job of giving a like blacked out look without hindering light output. So I mean, to me, this is pretty normal for what it normally looks like. Can I just do fog lights? Nope, can't just do fog lights. Those are the fog lights on. Fog lights off, fog lights on. So they're still pretty bright. But it might not be a bad thing that it's blocking some light, guy, because I get flashed all the time because of my freaking fog lights. I'm telling you, these things are hella bright. I'm gonna be honest with you. But here in the front now, looking at it, it does look a lot better. Like 100%. 100%. So guys, I'll link that below. Y'all can go grab y'all some. Super easy install. Yeah, anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for tuning to that quick video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Say bye, Red. Bye. Damn. Man.